Start recording. So good evening, everyone. You're welcome to our training for today. Today we're going to be looking at AI. There's a lot of noise about AI, and it's getting really interesting. So it's getting really interesting. Okay, so we need to be part of the conversation. All right, we need to be part of the conversation. So let me ask, how many of us here have a personal website or a business website? How many of us have a business website? If you have a business website or a personal website, please don't mute yourself. Just comment yes that you have it. If you have any form of website, either a personal website or a business website, comment the word yes. Comment the word yes. We're 25 plus. I want to see the response. How many of us have a website? Comment the word yes. I want to see on the chat. If you don't have a website, type no. If you don't have a website, type no. If you have a website, type yes. I want to see how many of us.
Please, where am I typing? Sorry, coach.
Okay, so on your phone, you see the three dots very close to the cancel button. Okay, you click on those three dots and you see where they wrote in call messages. I'm believing that I'm assuming you are using an Android phone. So you see in call messages. So you tap on in call messages and then
No,
you can be able to
I
type.
use iPhone, but I've typed. Thank you. I've typed, sir.
Okay, great, great. So I want to see how many of us have a website, whether personal website or business website. If you have a website, type yes. If you don't have a website, type no. There's no there's no need to be shy that I don't have, other people have. There's no need, no need. It's not anything special. But by the end of today's training, everybody in this call must have a website. That is the number one goal for this training. So let me know. We have how many comments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm seeing 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
I
22.
just
We are
joined. Please,
22.
what's the question? Sorry.
The question is if you have a website, type yes on the chat. If you don't have a website, type no on the chat. So that's where we want to start this conversation from. So we have a lot of no. We have a lot of no. Okay? All right, not a problem. So you will decide now. Do you want a business website or you want a personal website? That one is the conversation you're going to decide on. Okay? So I'm going to give us an assignment now. We're going to see how AI is going to help us right now. Okay? So go to this web. Actually, I want to share my I'll share from my phone. Okay. I'll share from my phone. I'll share my phone, my screen on my phone, so that because most of us are on our phone. So confirm if you can see my. So first and foremost, thank you so much for the engagement. I appreciate the engagement. I appreciate the follow. I wish I could go live on TikTok, but unfortunately, very unfortunately, okay. Let me try to join this call with my other device. Maybe I have this one here so that other people can also benefit from this. Yeah. So we still have a lot of people joining in, so let's not distract others. Okay, so now there is this website we are going to use now. So the good news is that if you don't have a website, before you leave this call today, you must have a website. And how are you going to do it? You're going to leverage on AI to create you a website. So now let me even show you example of what I did. I was just playing with yesterday. Okay. I was just playing with AI yesterday. And look at this. I'm sure you can see my screen. So this is this is not a simple website by any means. But because if I'm to design something like this, let's just take a look at it. This is the website for selling an online course. Okay. This is a website for selling an online course. Okay. The African Dropshipping Goldmine course. I created this website yesterday in less than 5 minutes using AI. In less than 5 minutes. The website that seller, I'm not talking down on seller, so don't get me wrong, please. The website that seller.co is using, if you are selling digital products on seller, and if you are selling
Sorry,
digital
sir, we
products
can't
on
see your
seller,
screen.
the web you said,
Please, we can't see your screen.
please confirm if you can see the
Confirm if you can
screen.
see the
Maybe it's from
screen.
your end, or we can see it, sir.
Can see it. Maybe you
Because
should log out.
I have two devices here and I'm seeing my screen on my laptop at the same time on my phone. So just log out and log in. Okay.
I can see it from here too.
Okay. Thank you so much for the feedback. So the thing is, like I was saying before, the website, if you are to sell a digital product on seller.co, they give you a website. The website is not anywhere close to this. Again, I'm not talking down on seller. Before you people will say, some people will not say I'm looking down on seller. I'm not looking down. I'm just comparing. Okay. Look at this website that AI created for me. Okay. Seller's website is not as detailed as this. Again, I'm not looking down on seller, please. Seller is a big company doing billions of naira in revenue monthly. I'm not by any means looking down on them. I'm just comparing, just to tell you how beautiful is the website. So for those of you who have one digital product, one online course or program you are selling, you can today you are going to design a website. Okay. So this is one example. Now, the second example I shared with you, friends, on the did I share the link here? Like I did not share the link on my. Okay, I didn't share the link here. I did not share the link. Okay, so I think I've showed you one. So let's not waste time because I'm going to give everybody assignment. Those of us who don't have a website and those who have a website but still want to leverage on AI. I mean, you are welcome. So this is the website you are going to go to create. You use AI to create a website. The website name is lovable.dev. This is the website. It's going to open up shortly.
Lovable what?
So this is the lovable. Okay, let me put it on the chat. Lovable.dev. www.lovable.dev. Lovable.dev. So it's on the chat. Okay. Lovable.dev. Let me type it here on this thing. Lovable.dev. I'm sure we can all see it. Let me admit these people, please. My friends, they are on the waiting. Okay, just one person. So for those of us who don't have a website, and for those who have a website and you want to experiment with us, go on to Lovable.dev. Okay. Now, what are you going to tell Lovable to do? So can Lovable.dev is not opening. How can it not be opening? It's opened here now. It's what you are seeing here now. Ah, oh my God. Everybody is running in now, and Google have not done this thing that they're supposed to have done. Love it. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. My spelling was wrong. LOV. Okay. LOV able. There's no E. Okay. There's no E between the A and the V. So I've posted the correct spelling. So let me correct it here. Okay. So try it now, Mr. Adebola. Okay, great. So now you're simply going to tell you're simply going to tell AI the kind of website you want to create. So let me imagine, for example, that um, I want to create. Okay, can somebody just okay? Let me say real estate. I know somebody is into real estate here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll go to I'll go to Google, okay, and I will type real estate companies. You can put any country, real estate companies in US. I like to use those ones because their websites are really top notch. Okay, so now I want to look for any of these websites here. Hmm? This one, they are running ad and their website is not on. Can you imagine? They are just wasting money. How can you be running ad and your website is down? Hmm? Let me see. This one is a news website. So it's not a. Let me go out, please. Okay, let me try this one. This one is a real estate agency website. Um, okay, let me go to the site and see what they have. Okay, okay, okay. Why work with us? I don't want to use any Nigerian whatever, so that nobody will come and tell me that you taught people how to come and copy our website and all of that. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'll copy this website, the URL. Okay. So step one, go to lovable.dev. Okay. Step two, I'm going to look for a similar website relating to the kind of business website I want to create. I'm using the example, if I want to create a business website. Now I've gotten the sample. I'll come to ChatGPT and then I will I will I will tell ChatGPT, okay, I cannot use this one because I'm recording. I just launched my real estate business. Please create. Sorry. I want to create a website for it using Lovable.dev. Here is a sample real estate website. I'll put the link of the one I copied, and then I will say, give me a prompt I can use to create my own website on Lovable.dev. Okay. The name of my real estate company is. Give me a name, please. Somebody should just give me any name. Give me any name.
Sorry, please. Am I the only one who is not seeing the screen?
I think so.
I think so. I can see the
Wait.
screen.
You should be the only one. I'm seeing it. You
I
can
can
see the
see it.
screen.
So what you do is, if you can't see the screen, just go out and come in again. So please, somebody should just give me any name. Give me any name, any real estate, any name I should use for the company.
Sota.
You said?
A.
I didn't get the name.
Sota.ng. SOTA.
SODA. Soda. Soda Homes. Let's go with this. Soda Homes. Okay. Then I'll tell him to make it detailed. Make the prompt detailed. So let me explain something before I go on. So now my own is I want to create a website, and in that Lovable website, I need to give them a prompt. But I don't want to just go there and just be writing anything. And so ChatGPT is the good guy that we can just come and tell our mind, I want to do this, I want to do this. Please just tell me how to do it or help me do this. ChatGPT is the good guy, he's going to do it for us. So I've given ChatGPT what I want. I just launched a real estate business. I want to create a website for it using this AI platform. Here's a sample of the real estate website. Give me a prompt I can use to create my own website on this Lovable.dev. The name of my real estate company is Soda Homes. Make the prompt detailed, and that's it. So let's see what ChatGPT will do for us. Okay. So now he has given me a prompt, and he's telling me to prompt to copy into dev. So what I will just do now is I will just come and click on copy. Okay. Please mute your device. Please mute your device. Please mute your device. Rukaya, please mute your device. So copy. I've copied it now. So go back to Lovable, and then but I will remove some part. This last part, it's not part of the prompt. Okay. Remove this part. Then the beginning part, this one, I'll remove this beginning part. So that's it. Oh. So let's. I hope I still have what is it called? Okay. So let's wash. So let's wait. When I'm done doing this, all those of us who said we don't have a website, I will give you 10 minutes. Go and create your website and come back. Are we good? Are we together?
Yes, we are.
Sir, what about if your business you do not have a sample to copy?
If you don't have a sample to copy,
If you don't have a sample to copy,
Yes.
that's not a problem. Put
that's
in,
not a
tell
problem. Put in,
ChatGPT.
tell ChatGPT.
Okay, just mute
Okay, just
yourself first. Maybe
mute yourself
so it
first. Let
doesn't.
me.
Great. So it's not a problem. I just want to give the AI something to model after. It's nothing really special. I can still tell you, create me a real estate website. The name of the company is this, and it will give me something. That's just the truth. But I just want to, please, are you recording the call? Yes, I'm recording. But I just want to give something to like guide you get. So is doing his thing. So let's wait and see. So um um you don't need to like give it a sample. And the truth is there's no business that you're into that somebody doesn't have a website for it already. You know? So let's wait. It's taking some. I think we still have some people that should be on the waiting. Let me check. Okay, nobody is here. Oh, let me admit them. No, this is not the paid version. Oh, my paid version. I've not renewed it. It just expired. Got expired like 3 days ago. You know. So this is free. Uh, free. What's it called? Free chat GPT I'm using. So 3 minutes ago. Why is it taking this long? It's not supposed to be this long. It's not supposed to be up to 5 minutes. Once it gets to 5 minutes, if it's not doing it, I would switch to my laptop. It's 4 minutes now. Writing Kiniko. Mr. Emmanuel Anibo, you have a question? So for those of us
Oh,
just
sorry.
joining in,
No.
you are welcome.
So for those of us just
Okay, great.
joining,
So for those of us just joining us, what we are doing today is we are creating a website using AI. So before you joined in, what we did was that we asked a question. How many of us have a website? If you have, type yes. If you don't have, type no. And if you don't have a website, there's a platform that is going to help you put one together. It's an AI platform that will help you design a website. There are different platforms like that, but this one in particular, I just love the ease with which you can be able to design something really fast. Okay. So this is 5 minutes into it, and it's taking a longer time. So, like I said, I will switch to my PC. Okay, stop sharing. I'll share from my PC here. So I'll complete the. Oh, why have a lot of people waiting? If you don't have, not a problem. Okay, it's taking you time, eh? Oh wow. Okay, please. I hope you can see my screen. So I don't have a website, not a problem. No, dot dev. Okay. Oh wow, I have a lot of people. So could it be network? I doubt. It's just rolling, 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 rolling. Okay, I think it's done. Oh, so I have to. Okay, so it's opened here now. Let me just try this one before I go to my phone and show you. Um, create me a real estate website. The name of my company is which name I'll call now is real real estate. Okay. Remember it's for the US markets so that it can give me something nice. So I'll sign up because this is the first time I'm using this my login, this my account. So I will log in. Please confirm if you can still see my screen. Confirm if you can
Yes,
still
you
see
can.
my screen.
Mm,
Okay.
you can see it now. I've seen it before.
You can't see it.
No, I'm no longer seeing it.
Okay. So let me stop the share here and start again. Okay. Ah, it's like the share stop. Thank you for mentioning it because I found out. Let me try again. I think you can see it now, right?
Yeah, we can see.
I hope you can give us
So
this training video tomorrow because the network is very poor.
recording. So for the website now, it started doing its thing. So what I just said is create me a real estate website. The name of my company is Ace Real Estate. Remember, it's for the US market. That's all. And then it's doing its thing. Okay. So let's wait for this one. Let's wait for this one. Or while we're waiting for this one, can we go and take a look at the one we've created before? Because that one is ready now. Or do we wait here? Okay. So let's make it more. Let's make the time count. I'll stop the share here and I'll share from my phone. I'll share from my phone. Please confirm if you can see the screen on my phone. So you see what they wrote. You see what they wrote here. It says, I've created a stunning professional real estate website for soda homes with a income. So how do you see the website? So what you do if you are using your phone, you know the three dots at the top right. If you are using Chrome, the three dots at the top right, click on it. Then you switch to desktop sites. Okay. Switch to desktop sites. Okay. I'm trying to get. So now it's looking somehow, but you're going to like zoom in like this. Okay. Zoom into the top. Then you see where the roads, you see this arrow. Okay. The arrow. I hope you guys saw it. So this is the website. This is the website. This one is preview now. You need to, so let me copy it first. So I'll go back. Normally you're supposed to go to this place where the roads. Ah, shit. So there's a place here. So this one that is blue, like web or something. I don't know why it's not. Because I'm doing this thing on phone. We've not published this site, so we need to. Do this on your phone. This is not the while away you face, but not a problem. I don't know why it's not responding now. Okay, not a problem. I will see the while. Publish your projects. And now you can't show me publish projects. The publish is somewhere around here, but I don't know why. Okay, not a problem. But let me just go and show you the website you designed. We'll come back to it. So find your dream home with Soda Homes, your trusted real estate partner, combining local expertise with digital convenience to make your property buying and selling stress-free. Find your dream home so you can see what AI just did for us. You get, it's putting the price in dollar. You can edit all of these things, but the truth is that it's a bit stressful on your phone to be editing, you know. So what you can do is that maybe when you are designing the website, you can tell the platform that the website is for Nigeria market. So maybe they might put it in in naira. You get. But guys, do you know how much it's going to cost you if you are to tell a developer to put up a website like this? Do you know how much it's going to cost you? If Nami won't do I wouldn't charge you anything less than 300,000. And that 300,000 is with plenty, I beg. You get the point. So now it is your turn for you to go and set up your own. So I give you the next 10 minutes. Everybody, for those of us who say we don't have website, oh yeah, go and create one for yourself now. Mr. Taiwo said, how did you make that marketing video on your group? Yeah, we're going to talk about that. Don't worry. So somebody said, it has created a professional working and beautiful website for me. Wish I can share it. Yeah, you can share it, but there's usually going to be a place at the top that will allow you to first of all publish it. Then you copy the link and you can be able to share the link. You know. So this
Hello,
one,
coach.
yes, ma'am.
Please, was it Lovable you used just now or
Yes, Lovable.
ChatGPT?
I
Lovable.
use
Okay.
the
ChatGPT
second
is yet to come up.
the second one I use only love. I didn't use ChatGPT. The first one I used ChatGPT, but the second one I did not use ChatGPT. So let me.
Sorry to cut you again. I just wanted to know if we can use Lovable only.
Yes, you can. And that was exactly what I did in the second one. So let me stop this share here now, and then share the one I did with my PC. Okay. So can you see my PC? Let me know if you can see it.
Yes, please.
So you can see that at the top, they wrote, because I don't zoom out now, I can't change. Okay. So let me go back. I think he has given me. So you see at the top, I don't know if you can really see it. So let me see that. Okay. So you see what they wrote at the top here, publish. This is what I was looking for in my phone,
Wow, this is
So,
wonderful.
I think
God.
so. Let me publish it first. Let me publish first so that I won't get that issue.
Sir, please, I'm confused.
Please don't be confused. Ask your question.
Likewise, me, oh.
Okay, please.
Don't worry. Ask your question.
A quick one, coach. Good evening again. Please, now two things that is confusing me. You were using ChatGPT before. After you copied a link of a website of a home, a real estate, which you copied and added to ChatGPT. Now this Lovable now, as it was the connection between the two, the ChatGPT and the Lovable website that you use now. What's the connection?
The Lovable is the main platform, AI platform that you are using to create the website.
Okay, now if you are using it, does it mean you are going to copy another, like for example, where you copied a link of a real estate home that you pasted on ChatGPT? Is that the same format we are going to use to copy a link to that of the Lovable, or we can just ask the Lovable to create us a website for a real estate?
Okay, so there are two ways you can do it. Step one, you can go directly to Lovable and just tell Lovable, create me a website that is about this. This is my business name. This is my business phone number. This is my business email address. I didn't even mention all those ones, but now I just remembered now. You will take those information and design a website for you in Lovable. You don't need to go to ChatGPT. But you can also do ChatGPT. The reason why I went to ChatGPT is because I wanted the prompt to be really detailed. So I went to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT, see, I want to create websites. This is the kind of website. This is the market. Clinical. Now create me a prompt. So I now copied the prompt that I'm going to use to design the website, and I took it to Lovable and I pasted it on Lovable, and it created me that first website. Is it clear? Is my explanation clear?
Somehow, sir, but don't worry. Since there's a
Okay,
record, I
so
can.
don't confuse yourself. So what you should just know is this: you want to create the website, come to Lovable.
100%.
Hmm? Just come to Lovable.
I've
Hmm?
created mine.
Can you
Perfect.
just hold on, please? Hold on, please. Hold on.
Don't worry, man. Let me explain again. I'm not in a
Madam,
hurry.
don't worry. We are the same.
If this is
But I think
if
I'm
this is
better, a
everything
bit
we're
better than you.
no, it's not hard. Let me explain again. If this is all we're going to do today, so that the 20 something of us
No,
will
I
be there with
understand
the website,
perfectly.
it's good.
I
Hmm?
understand.
So let me explain again. I would use an example now. This is the Lovable website. I want to go back then. I hope you can see my screen, madam.
Yes, it's
Madam
Habiba. Madam Moiza
Habib.
is, yes, sir.
Uh, so number one, Lovable.dev. Okay, this is where you go to. Hmm? So now I want to the different kind of website. I don't want to do you do now. I will say create. Okay, this thing is really small.
Yes,
Can you still
yes, sir.
see my
Yes, sir.
screen? So I said
Yes.
create create a website for a digital marketing company. Okay. The name of our brand is um, um, yeah, what should I use now? Uh, Somebody should just give me a name. Just give me a name. I didn't know they call my head now.
You can't see your
Give me a
site. You
name.
can't see your screen now.
Halifa Digital.
I can only see agro parts now. I can't see your screen.
The name.
Please, maybe you will have to log out and log in. My screen is
Name
still
of
showing
our
on my
brand
other
is
device. Mhm. So the name of our brand is
Halifa Digitals.
our phone number is 08012345678 Mhm. Let me put the Nigerian code plus 234. I'm zooming this thing so that everybody will see and clearly. Create a website for a digital marketing company. The name of our brand is 77 Digitals. Our phone number is this. okay, and our email address, and our email address is 77 digitals digitals 77 digitals at gmail.com. Okay, we are located at number 15 Commercial Avenue, Sabo, Yaba, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so this is all I'm putting now. Create a website for a digital marketing agency company. The name of our brand is 77 Digitals. Our phone number is this. Our email address is this. We are located at this. This is all. Everything is happening here on Lovable. And the next thing is just to click on send. Click this black arrow facing up. Okay. Click the black arrow facing up. And then let's wash and see how it plays out.
Coach, is the website editable?
Yes, you can edit every part of it. You can edit every part of it. But it's going to be easier if you are editing on a PC. I'm excited to see that some of us have already started implementing and we're beginning to get results. So please, I'm sure the rest of us are creating our own. Somebody say you cannot see my screen. Yes, you can do it on phone now. I did the first one. Mine is saying link built on successful. Oh, really? What did you do? Okay, great. Let me take a look at this person's one.
I want to know, sir, if I need to add pictures to this website, how do I go about it?
You can add pictures. Just that it will be difficult to do that on your phone. That's the honest truth. It will be difficult to do that on your phone, but you can easily do that on a PC. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Downsell skincare. Reveal your glow. The downsell way. This is fine. No, I'm not gonna lie. This is fine. So you can replace the image. So I'm sure we can see the website. Let me now publish. Publish. I'm publishing now. So the domain of the website will be digital. The root copy link. Let me go to a fresh page and open it so that all of us will see them. So that, Madam Habib,
Yes,
can
I'm with
you
you, sir.
see how it is now?
Yes, sir.
Say easy, Abi.
Yes, sir.
So you see, they wrote the phone number. You see, the reason why I put the phone number because I know that it might be stressful for some of us to be editing phone number and all those things at this stage. So when you are dropping the information, just tell them, this is my phone number, this is my email address, this is my address of my company. And I will do something now. I don't know if it's going to take time. You can equally send pictures. I'm sure you can do that because I saw that thing. But let's just for a moment appreciate look at this website and digital marketing excellence is the one. SEO, PPA, clinical, you can see. So look at contact information, address, phone number, is everything is already here. You get. So this one first, once somebody comes and click on your website, somebody you having a conversation with somebody and send the person your website, this one don't put you ahead of 90% of your competitors. Because at do you know the thing is, as much as people talk about AI, yeah, AI, yeah, AI is this, AI is that, there's a lot of noise about it. How many people they implement the things they know about, they've heard is possible with AI? Not many. So right before us now, we just created 3 different websites. So you self go get your own. So I wanted to say something about the URL. So the URL
I
for this
have a
one is
question,
go get your own.
please.
Just a
When
so I wanted to say something about the URL. So the URL for this one. Just hold on, let me just mute so that it won't be echoing. So regarding
How
the
about
URL,
domain name?
that's what I want to say. Yes, the domain is showing digitals avenue slash website dot lovable dot app. If you are not okay with this, you can buy a domain and it will change. Custom domain. See it here at the top. See am for the top. Custom domain. You can buy domain. Eh? Add an existing domain or purchase a domain and buy a domain. You name it whatever you want to name it. So that will not be issue. You get the point. That is not an issue. Okay? So
There's
how
one
many of us
sir.
have
Sir,
created? I
what
only
about
saw
the
3 persons.
hosting?
The
The
hosting is
hosting is
Lovable that is
Lovable that
doing
is
the
doing the
hosting.
hosting.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't worry
don't
about
worry
it.
about.
If they are not
If they are not
hosting it,
hosting it,
it will not
it
come
will
up
not come
now.
up now.
You get the point. If they are not hosting it, you won't see it like this. You get. But I mean, this is looking really nice. Transform your business with data-driven digital marketing strategy. We help brands grow their online presence and achieve
Achieve
measurable
measurable
results.
results.
Sir, sorry, please, if you want to
So,
add, let's say we put some products like digital product, and you want to add where
okay.
to make payments. Hope you can edit all that to
It's
put
just
your
you
payment
can
details.
edit
You
it.
can
You
edit
can
it. You
edit.
can edit.
Okay.
You can edit.
You can edit.
Yeah, that one is
Yeah,
not.
that one is not.
You can change
You can
most of
change.
these things you are seeing here. Finish. So you need tab. Go to dashboard. Go to dashboard. But I've created 3 different websites. If not 4, with this account. Let me see something. So let me wait for it to open up. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm on my.
Okay, you are.
I'm doing
You are.
mine.
I'm on my own
Also,
too.
scanning persons. Okay. So I'm waiting. Those can
Instructor, while waiting.
five people with
Why?
sorry, about I'm on my own too.
Do we have to log in before we can do anything? Do we have to sign up?
You need to sign.
Very well.
Yes, we can.
Okay. What I said is it possible for Lovable to provide
Yeah.
security for the site he developed for you? Like this Soda Homes now, he has given us the site.
Yeah.
But we also know too that there are people who are criminals on the internet. They put they post unwanted picture into your site just to discredit your site, or they come in to steal your data. Some of them, even if you have e-wallet, they just disrupt the e-wallet, thereby discrediting your site for customers not to come in. So my question is, does Lovable also provide security, adequate security for the site it developed?
Okay, so thank you so much for your question.
So that it won't be echoing. I don't know why it's happening like that today. Let me respond. So I'm sharing my screen so that I can show you something. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because okay, let me go to that. So look at this place. You see what they wrote here? Connection is secured. Okay, connection is secured. So in terms of security, usually it's best you have SSL for your site. So when you go on some website, this place where they wrote view site information, I don't know if you can see where I'm clicking now that is displaying all this information that is saying site is secure. You see there's a padlock here. Okay. Now in some websites they will tell you that it's not secure. The padlock will be open and it will be you will see a red cross across the padlock showing that there's no SSL on the website. So in my little time of dealing with websites and all of that, yes, it is true that sometimes people do those kind of things, but if your website is secured, if you have your SSL, okay, I am not, I don't know anyway, I don't know how they operate all those things, but what I know is that in terms of security, Lovable is secured to a large extent. You get to a large extent, it's secured, you know, but that will you can do more research, you know, you can do more research on that. But for me, the goal is get something get something online, have a presence online. So when people go check up your website, they will see that okay, there's a website for this business online. So it puts you at an advantage. But where the issue of money, maybe your customers and all of that, what you can do is if you are not comfortable receiving payments online, or if you are scared of those kind of, I've used Paystack before. When I started in 2020, receiving payments online, I was using Paystack. I used Paystack to the extent that the accounts got to its limit and they said I can't use it anymore until I have to upgrade. I had to go and register a business, put in the details, and I used it for a long time. I didn't have any challenge with any kind of. I know things do happen, you know, things do happen, but then I don't think you should be scared of giving it a try. Okay, you don't need to be scared. To a very large extent, it's highly secured. So
To a very large extent, it's highly secured.
you don't need to be
So
worried about it.
Okay,
you need to be worried about all your stuff.
okay, noted. Thank you for that response.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. So,
Additionally,
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
besides this,
So,
Coach, I realized that
I
I realized
realized
that you can change everything. No? If you want to change, if you want to
you can
add
edit.
your phone number inside, just put whatever you want inside that box, and it will now edit what is originally created.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
I'm just
Edit
yes,
section.
yes.
You can just chat
I
with
just
it.
added my phone number.
It's
I
more like
asked it to add my phone number.
yeah, it's more like you are
Sir,
It's
please,
doing
talking.
that.
on my own, sir,
What?
please, on my own, I'm seeing get started, publish, start your growth journey, view our work. I don't understand.
So, can you
Hello, sir.
have you posted have you written your script of the kind of website you wanted to create?
Yes, yes, I've done that.
Okay, so screenshot what is showing on your screen now. Send it to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp open. Let me see it.
Okay, sir.
So how many of us are true? How many of us don't finish? I'm counting now.
I'm true, coach. Very beautiful.
Yes.
top notch.
uploading on the internet. So you publish, Madam Mercy Roberts, you publish it first. When you published it, you now have your URL. They will give you a URL that they will use. You get, they give you a
Oh
URL for
boy.
your website. Let me look and see now if this is your website.
Oh my God.
Hello, boss. I've sent it to you on WhatsApp, the screenshot.
Okay, I'll take a look at it right now. Mercy Roberts, environment of possibilities. Wow, this is fine. So this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Wow, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. It speaks volume. It speaks volume about your business. Okay. Okay, so Madam Omotosho, you're welcome. So let me just explain something. For those of us who are, for those of us who, okay, let me carefully this screenshots. If you are just joining us, what we are doing here is we are creating websites. So, Madam Habib,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Madam Habib, you're the one that sent me the screenshot, right?
No, Halima.
No, not me.
Okay, Madam Alima. So you see on
Yes,
your
sir.
screen at the top right, there's a place
Yes,
called they wrote publish.
yes, sir.
Click on that publish, and it will give you the link to the that like your domain or the URL of the website after publishing.
Okay, I've clicked publish.
You've clicked on publish, Abby.
Yes, okay, Halifax slash global dot
Yes. So copy
com.
that URL and save it somewhere. That is how you're going to be accessing it. If you want to get something more professional, you can buy a domain on the platform. But for me, I don't see the need of that. Okay. So that's about that. So for those just joining us, what we are doing here is we're using AI to create a website. Hmm? So you can create your personal website. If you are a career person, you can create a personal website. Tell them what your highest, upload your CV. Okay? What you can do is this. Let me just tell you what you can do. If you are a career person, you want to create a personal website.
I'm done with my own.
This one.
Perfect. Perfect. If you are a career person, you want to create your website, just upload your CV.
Coach,
And
this
tell
one
them,
is it totally
just a
free?
moment, just a moment, I'll take your questions. Let me finish before I stop you. Upload your
Okay,
CV.
okay.
You tell them, I want you to create a personal website for me. Here is my CV. Upload it, and they will create it for you. You get?
Yes.
You can also create for your business.
All
So how do
pieces.
you do it? I'm explaining for those who are just coming because I'm seeing the comment section and even some people sending me email that
Oh boy.
they are lost. So what we are doing is we're creating websites using AI in less than 10 minutes. And how do you do it? There's a platform called Lovable. This is the platform. I'll drop it on the chat now. Just the way you use Chat GPT, the way you use Chat GPT, go on the platform, just tell the platform, create me a website for my business. The name of my business is XYZ. My phone number is this, my address is this, my company's address is this, my company's email address is this. And in less than 10 minutes, you will get a website. Okay. A
But sir, you
professional.
have to indicate the nature of your business, right?
Yes, you can. You can. Of course, you should. You
What I
should.
said that. I
For
think.
those just joining, I just posted the link of the website that you are going to use to create your own website. The AI platform that is doing it is lovable.com. Lovable. Sorry, not .com. Oh, I don't mislead
Okay, this is how to master page.
Lovable.dev. Okay, DEV. Lovable.dev.
WhatsApp when I dey use. Sure.
Now let me take questions. I see that how many people don't create their own now? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine persons. We need to get
I'm
10.
still on it too.
Okay, great.
Sir, please let me know how publish is. I can't find it. Oh.
Sir,
That
please,
publish.
sir, please,
Three line.
after copying the link, what
Sir,
should
should
I
we send
do?
the link?
Please, one house now.
One
Sir,
house.
please.
Somebody's saying, okay,
Where
let's
do
go.
you,
Go now. Go ahead.
please, where do you say the publish? If I can't find that one.
The website that you can use to create it.
No, after creating, where do you say I'll
The
publish if I
publish.
need
Are
to?
you on phone or on PC?
I'm on phone.
Okay, so you look at the top right. You
Okay,
first
sir.
of all change your. Are you using okay, whatever phone you are using, change it to desktop view on your phone. Scroll to
Okay,
the top
okay,
right. Either you see the
okay,
word publish or you will see the World Wide Web logo in blue color.
okay.
Then you just click on it. It will publish.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think I've sent. Thank you, sir.
All right.
I have to.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
let's do like this. If you have a question, use the raise hand icon. I'll call on you so it will be organized. So use the raise hand icon. Okay, use the raise hand icon and I'll call on you.
It's not working again.
Mr. Emmanuel Anibo. See website.
See website.
Okay, go.
Thank you
This is like
for the
This is like
opportunity.
I don't think that somebody else is doing it.
okay. So let's mute our
Okay, so
device. If you are not
let's
talking,
mute our device. If you're not
just raise
talking,
your hand. Raise your hand.
just and raise your
Just
hand.
call me
I
now.
called
Can I
on
Use the
start?
raise hand icon. I called on
Emmanuel before.
Emmanuel before. Go ahead, Emmanuel.
Thank you for the opportunity. The question I want to ask is, when you give these your developers a website to build for you, at the end of the project, they hand over, documents indicating that this website is your property. And so, like a password that is meant for you alone, you can access anytime. No other person can do it. And they also build a kind of an administrative platform for you that is not exposed to the public or the users, just to you alone. Is it possible, my question, that Lovable do this as well? At the end, they give you the password, they give you documents showing that this is your property. Like you bought something and they are giving you receipt, and this shows that this television you bought is for you. Does Lovable do that?
Okay, is that all your question? If you have other questions, add to it because I want to answer you once and then we'll move on to the next person. Hello?
That's all.
That's okay, great. So you can mute your device so that it won't be echoing. So Lovable has everything you are talking about. So when I shared my screen initially, you notice that where I was okay, just a moment. Lovable have an administrative area, a backend, that's how we call it, the backend of your website. They also have the front end. So let me show you the difference now. So this is okay. I've not published this one. Ace home. So let me publish it. Publish. This is second website, the one I created with my PCA. So I'm publishing it now. Okay. So this one now, this link, I'll copy this link now. Hmm? I'll copy the link and I'll open it in a. So you see it, what you are seeing, okay, it's not showing. So what you are seeing now is the front end of the website. If you want somebody to go to your website to see what you are offering, now this link you will give them. You give them this link, they will come to your website and they will see what you have. They cannot edit anything here. They can't do anything here. You get the point. This is the front end of the website. However, this one here, where we are doing the editing, we are doing this, doing that, doing everything. This is the administrative login, just the way we call it in WordPress. This is the back end of the website. You are the only one that have access to the back end of the website because this is where you do your editing. And we are talking about password. Before you started creating the website, you remember you created an account with Lovable. That is the login details you're going to use to access the back end of the website. Now only you get them. Am I making sense, Mr. Emmanuel?
Sure.
Yes, you're making sense.
So that's how it is. Yes.
Very much.
Yeah, I'm welcome. Mr. Olu, go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Sir, please, I'm at this publish level. I've copied the link.
Okay.
So I've tried to paste the link, but it's not opening for
Send
me.
the link faster. Send the link faster.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Emmanuel.
Here's the link.
Go ahead. Just
Okay,
unmute
good evening, sir.
yourself.
Okay, sir. Uh, so I've been trying to open my own. So it says invalid verification code. I've been trying to open my own as well. So at the point of registration, I'll be verify email account. So you say invalid verification code.
This is for registration.
Mm,
This is for registration.
okay.
All right. So let me tell you something. This process is number one. Your website makes sense.
Okay, sir.
Good evening.
And makes sense.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Joseph, go
Uh,
ahead.
good, good evening, boss.
Yes, good evening.
Okay, so I was able to do the website, but my issue is the publishing. At the right hand corner end, what is only showing on my website is the email address and the phone number. Publishing is not showing.
Are you using your phone, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you used a
Desktop site. Yes, I did. And secondly, I did not use ChatGPT. I used Lovable.dev directly on their website.
because Lovable Dev is not showing.
Yeah, they've done the design already, but to publish it is my major issue now.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do that right away. All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead with the question.
Okay. I was looking at the website and trying to play around the website, and one thing I realized.
Go
Hello,
ahead.
sir. One thing I realized is that if, if I click on like book consultation,
Mm.
the relevant informations before it will move also. I don't know. Then the other one is that it's already zero point 0.6 free credit remaining. That's for today. That simply means
Credits.
one had to upgrade.
No, the credits that
Yes.
you used one credit to create one website.
Okay.
You use one credit
Yes, sir.
to invite one to create one website. That is how it's done. And I mean, how many websites does your list? Three and one.
Yes, one.
So that's it. The first question, I didn't get the first question clearly. Maybe you can repeat it.
Okay. The first question is that it has highlighted some areas like learn more about us, which the person that comes to your website will possibly click on it and it will take the person to somewhere.
Okay.
How are we going to configure that? Because for now, when I look at the website I have already created, if I click on, for example, learn more, it's not going anywhere, it's just static.
Okay, don't worry. Immediately, I will do a video on how to edit. Okay, I will do a video on how to edit. I
Oh,
wanted to thought that this thing is straightforward for everybody, and that we will still consider the aspect of creating video there, but we can't do that today. So we just plan on editing the whole done today. you know. So so don't worry. I would provide you below when we do it. Next, please.
and again, it has populated my my website with wonderful pictures, residential properties selling at 75 million, selling at 45 million in Victoria Island, Lagos,
Banana
all
Island.
generated by this website.
Yes,
This love.
you can
Oh my
edit
God.
it. You can edit it if you want to. Anything you want, you can edit anything. So,
Okay.
so
This thing is so beautiful.
that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So, let me see again next. Let me see. Let me see.
Yes, I mean, I'm next. I have a question. Would you remind me some where you said I'll get the URL for any customer that is looking at
Mm.
them doing my web from their own site? I didn't get that part.
It's from that place you published it. After publishing, uh,
Okay.
after
Okay.
publishing, they will give you the URL. If you can't find it, look at the top, towards the top left. From the top left towards the middle, you will see an arrow facing up. Click on that arrow. It will take you to the website, you know, and from there you can copy the URL. Mr.
Okay.
Onaisha Omorotoso, you're welcome. You have a question.
Thank you very much, Coach. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So I got my website done, and it's very beautiful. You did a bit of explanation on access to the back end for editing. You know, if you could please do that again in two
Okay,
3 minutes.
so
Thank you.
I will do a different video when we are done today.
Okay.
So that this class is not too long.
Okay. Thank you.
That's a good thing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how many of us now have created our own? Let me see on the charts. How many? how do I add update payment? How do I remove the existing item? Don't worry, I will, Mr. Kingsley. I've seen your question and I will do a video on that, on how to edit. So we have one, two, three, four, five. Am I seeing everything? No. Orodu, please, sir. So sorry, some of us joined late due to a work environment. Please, how do we get to the Lovable platform to be able to create the website? If the recorded version, okay, how you go to the Lovable website is able.dev. Okay, I'm going to put it again now on the chat. So just in case you are just coming. So it's been an amazing section tonight. Also, friends.
Yes, yes.
So, Mr. Kingsley, I've answered his question. So, remaining editing, yes, I what have I posted? I think I posted a video yesterday. This one. And okay, this one I didn't use Lovable. I used Webflow. Let me restart. I mean, there was a real estate one I created that yesterday too. The one I shared that yesterday. I will just see this now. Mr. Emmanuel, do you have a question? Because everybody whose hand is raised up, I've answered their question. So,
Because everybody whose hand is raised up, I answer their question. So,
Yes, thank you for the opportunity. But it's not a question, though.
okay.
You've answered all my questions.
okay.
But I noticed that it's like you are winding up,
Yes.
and I just want to, if possible,
Because
you give us 1 or 2 minutes to see the effect of this training in us
okay.
today, so that we express ourselves.
Oh, okay.
And if you grant
Oh,
that, I'll,
okay, yeah, sure, sure.
okay.
Go ahead. Okay.
So let me share
Go
my
ahead, go ahead.
testimony.
Okay,
Let me
let's
share
see.
my testimony here. I have been building websites. I have been building websites since 2016. 2016, different kinds of websites. It is not as if I just list them that I want to build all of this at a time. No. But if I started this one, developers will eat my money and run away. I'll go another one, they eat my money and run away. They've eaten a lot of money from me, and with no results. It had cost me money, time, and other resources. But you see, this evening, thank God I joined this. The purpose for this training is not this website development. It's something else. But somehow you change to this one. Thank God I joined. You have actually, in fact, if I even know more than my developers now. I'm now at the driver seat. I will be the one telling them now, oh, thank you so much, coach. Thank you so much. And I'm also grateful to Jenai, who added me to this your platform. You guys are great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We sincerely appreciate your kind words and kind words. Thank you so much. We'll put our names on the chat. Um, the truth is, AI is here to stay. I'm going to share with you guys now. As I share it, I'll just do it. So we will not be able to go into what we have tonight. after creating the video, I edited it a little bit. What I did, the editing now is just to put three different scenes. So I added the three scenes together. That was all. Nothing fancy, nothing special. But the video, the woman talking and everything, and we have
You don't mean it.
yeah, that video alone
Hello, coach.
with just two prompts, just two prompts. So we will talk about that. So what's what else again? Then
Hey, mine too has been
But is
created.
it possible, mine too has been created. Is it possible you tell us the platform or the AI you use in doing that, just like you told us of Lovable.dev?
okay, not a problem. The I
Okay,
use
not a problem. I actually use Canva.
Canva. That's what I use.
Canva, that's what I use.
Is that AI?
Canva now has AI.
Give me
Coach,
that.
we want the practical. Coach, we
But
want the
another one is
practical.
the apart from Canva, there's another platform that is really into that Canva is highly into. So, but maybe tomorrow is Monday. Yeah, Monday is just Wednesday. So
Hello, coach. Is it Leonardo?
So I take another weekend.
it's Flow, Google Flow, Google Flow, Google Flow. This one they call this Vimeo 3. But that one is a paid platform. But the only thing is that the only thing is they give you 30 days free. So you can use it for 30 days for free. After the 30 days, you can also pay. So we'll talk about that one. That one is totally different. That Canva is easier, but the limits Canva only allows you to create 5 such videos in a month. So you are a bit limited. But don't worry. Let's say next.
Please, how much does the paid version of Canva cost?
Okay, Canva paid version. Canva fees. That is 1,200. It's Canva is not too expensive.
No more than 10,000, 9,999.
Okay,
Yes.
I don't remember. I think I have paid, but I just wanted to know before. But how much is up to that nine? You said Canva.
No, Canva is 2,800. 2,800.
Okay, Canva. It is
No,
2,000.
that's shared version.
Okay.
2000 something is shared version.
Mm, you see,
Yes.
it's really affordable, but it's not even Canva per se that really. Okay, I will check. I will confirm again. I used Canva, but what I was about to say was I noticed that after I created that video, I tried creating two more. After that two more, I couldn't create again, and he told me that I need to come back next month to come and create other. I said, ah. So that was the limitation. But the Google Flow, you can create multiple videos. It is
It is,
Please
you know,
spare the flow.
and
you said
Please spare this flow.
Google Flow now, not Flow, Google Flow. But don't stress yourself about that.
It's always right. The coach should hold your hand and teach you
No,
than
it's not just about the
going this
website.
way,
You
going
can
that
create the
way.
website now, but how do you tell the website? How do you prompt it? That is the one that you cannot just do it without ChatGPT.
that chapter.
You
That's
need to
true.
use ChatGPT first. ChatGPT will now give you prompt. You now use the prompt. So that one is the advance. But I'm glad we were able to finish up with this today, and many of us have gotten our website. So that is the best way to use AI. Not just creating fake news with AI because there's AI now. Things can just abuse it. Use it in a productive way.
It's not showing. No.
I'm sure we can see it. And we heard it twice.
Where is it?
Did we hear the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this AI, I've been seeing the video online.
I did not
So
even.
I've seen it too. I
I've
saw
seen
it
it.
yesterday.
I don't know it's AI.
Or was it today?
they edited some part of it after creation, but everything apart from the little editing they added, everything here is AI. And did you notice how many comments the video has? Can was anybody did anybody notice how many comments the video
4,000.
is 5,000 now?
Please, can you play the
Oh,
video again?
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, yeah, 5,000.
5,000 videos and 5,000 comments. You get that's somebody using AI in a very smart way. Everybody can actually do this. And this is harder to do than yes, harder to do. People are already people are using AI to create fake videos. Yes.
Sir, please, can you play the video again?
That one I'm just in marketing video now they show it. So I don't usually like to let me just open it. For those who have people that have this health program.
I think. Yeah, I can't see it. Yeah, I'm not seeing. I don't know whether that's happening.
Alicia. Madam Alicia.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So the question is this: all of us here, we all have businesses, and we are racking our brain every now and then because of the
Please,
challenges.
me, I'm not seeing it.
Don't worry about it. We'll do it tomorrow. I've stopped sharing it to the group set. All of us here have businesses. We have services. And for those of us who have gotten that level, we crack our brain every day to create marketing videos, to create videos. Some of us even pay people to create videos for us. Do you know that with this platform you're able to express yourself beautifully? You can create marketing videos. Let me show you some of them I've created before in a different marketing way. Let me see.
Please, how do we edit? I've created my website. I forgot to put my
Yeah, hello, Jimmy.
contact details.
Editing is not today. Oh.
You sure?
I forgot to put my contact details.
Editing is not today.
Okay, good.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
One more question, please.
Yeah, go ahead.
You were saying something about the URL that we should copy it.
What's come next?
Yes, I've copied it.
If I copy it, where will I paste it? How will I?
Yeah, you can place anywhere now. Well,
Um, then will it be powered by Google?
It's powered by Lovable.
So how when I give it out to people, how do they access it?
That's the thing. That's what we are talking about. You have to publish it.
No.
Publish it, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir, let me quickly come in. I think if you are using a phone, turn your
No, I'm
phone
using my
to
I'm using my PC.
okay, okay, because I had to turn
If you are
I
using your
had to turn my
PC,
phone.
if you are using your
Yes.
PC, then it's not bad now. Use publish it at the top right. Once you publish it,
Yes.
once you publish it,
Yes.
click on the image. Click on the image.
And on the link, you see a copy. They will write something copy on it.
you need more space. You get
So I've sent mine to just a little. So that I've sent mine to you.
fún mi ní ìlú ìfìjẹ ẹ̀kọ́ máa bàjẹ́ lálẹ́.
Please, Wanda,
Yes, sir.
somebody should mute their this thing now.
So please mute your this thing, please. Mute your. I wanted to show you people. I don't know how I do that now. This thing, but I'm not seeing it. I would have, but maybe don't worry. When it's time for us to do the training on video, I will tell you about that. So the question is, you can grow because Facebook now is gradually becoming a video platform. Same thing with Instagram, TikTok is there, YouTube is there. All the media platform, social media platform, they are gradually turning into videos. And not many people would like to put their face out there about product they bought online and the result they got. Even if the product is working, it's hard to get people to talk about it. So that is where AI comes in now. With AI, you can even create marketing materials and all of that. You know. So um, we'll tell you another day. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be free.
Tomorrow is fine. I don't know about.
Sir, please help us make it tomorrow now so that we can cover it up.
Okay, let's see now. Let's see now. How many
That
copies?
editing, I beg you.
How many
Editing.
copies will you create? I'll check it now. 44
Tomorrow
copies.
is okay, sir.
Tomorrow is okay.
I want to design all my websites. Real estate in New York, travel in New York. No.
Sit down.
Trend global. Please, please. Let's see how much. Okay, I'm sharing the link. So for tomorrow's training, I'm going to be covering all the rest of this video. You know, after tomorrow's training, I'm going to make small clip, like go in depth into this AI thing. I
Oh,
have prompts. I have prompts that I can use to create digital products in any whether I go to Lovable.dev to create a meme,
yeah, we didn't make it. I'll call you when I'm ready.
I will create something like that.
I've,
Yeah.
I've created it.
So something like that.
Hmm.
There's a prompt I have. Like in voices, instead of the prompt, edit it or ask it to give you ideas of digital products you can create or and how AI can be used to scale design a learning solution.
Come and see.
So that's why I came up with
Yeah, Kale.
I use marketing videos. I use marketing
Those marketing videos to
What's up,
add
Master? What's
please
up,
mute
Master?
Please mute your device now. Let's hear coach.
just mute
can we
your
just
device, please. Just mute. Oga Trend, Trend Global, please mute. Trend
He
Global,
has not
please.
muted yet, though. He has not muted yet. I don't know what's wrong with some people, Sha.
No, Have you not been able to hear yet? And I've been trying to mute him for you. The only thing, very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. So the reason why I'm explaining this thing so that we will understand them very well because sometimes there's a lot of like I started before, I said there's a lot of noise about AI. But ask how many people they make money with AI? How many they make money with AI? It's not about to teach people how to use AI. If you want to make money with AI without you teaching people how to, like what I'm doing now, some people have courses on it. I'm not against having courses on it. Hmm? I'm not against that. But my question is, how many people, after taking courses, are really making money with AI? ChatGPT, when you talk about AI, if you don't know anything at all, ChatGPT is the number one thing you should know. But how many of us have actually made money with ChatGPT, even though we know that it's there? How many of us?
It's courtesy of you.
Okay, great. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. You know, so
Courtesy of you.
oh, great, great. That means we're doing something impressive then. You know, so why I'm saying what I'm explaining something so that you will know how to connect this whole dot, and I cannot do it with just one training. So that is the reason why I'm going to make people offer tomorrow. And when I say I'm going to make you an offer, I'm going to sell you something at the end of tomorrow. So, but of course, it's not a do or die. If you want to join in, you can join in. If you don't want to join in, it's a problem. But let me explain something to you. Hmm? I just showed you how to design websites. But the question is, when you've created the website, what next? What next? There are two ways to go about it. You can now decide to say, okay, can I set up something? Can I use AI? Can AI build me a business? Can AI build me a business? The answer is yes. You can use AI to create a digital product, a digital business. AI will pick the products. AI will design the products. AI will design the websites, the what we call sales copy, the write up that you're going to have on the website. AI will design it for you. Now, when you take the sales copy, the write up, the information that people will read on the website for them to make a decision to buy your product, AI will design that one for you. You now take the same AI now from ChatGPT, carry it to Lovable. Lovable will design your website. Now you have a digital product, now you have a website. You can now still use AI too to create avatar, talking avatar. It can be 30 seconds video, it can be 1 minute video that you can use to advertise the product that AI
Sir,
creates
just
for
like
you.
what we watched, right? Just like what we watched now,
Yes,
right?
like what you watch now is though that one is a physical product. You can do for physical products, you can do for digital products. You get the point? So these are things that before now you are going to spend a lot of money, you know. And the truth is this: even as much as I'm going to say it and I keep saying it, most times many people don't implement what they learn. So even if there's a lot of noise about AI, the people that are really making money with it are not many. So if you can master it very well, you will not only do it for yourself, you can offer it as a service to people. Because some people they know about it but they are busy, they can't do it. And they have to employ somebody to do it for them. Now imagine we have a lot of people selling health products. This kind of video that this person did now, if you are to create it for different businesses, if na me wan do am, I don't know of other people. If I'm to do this kind of marketing video for you, with abeg 100,000 naira, I will charge you. As if you be my student, or as if you should be my student, you know me, it is 100,000 naira. And do you know the reason why? Whether it is AI that is doing it is not the issue, because it's not everybody that can do it. It's not everybody. Now, that aside, the second reason why I'm going to charge that much is because this thing I'm doing for you is going to make you money. And just so you know, that video you saw, if the person will get that video never make money at all, like I told some of my students yesterday, if you never make money at all, 50 million. If he has not made money at all, 50 million naira in sales, in revenue. So for me to now use AI to create a video for you that is going to help you to do 1 million naira or 2 million naira or 3 million naira, I can't do it for less than 100,000. And that is going to be for you because I know you. If I don't know you, as my spirit they lead, now go take charge you. Is it too much? It's not. Because the video is your salesman. So if you know how to do it, you can offer it to other business owners. There's somebody in Cameroon. The guy that taught the guy I learned some of the things I will share tomorrow with you from. He has somebody in Cameroon. He created a video for a bank in Cameroon. He used AI to create a video, a marketing video for a bank in Cameroon. You can see the level at which people are taking this thing. But my fellow Nigerians, now to create fake news, now they use and they do. How much are they going to make from that? I don't know. If now even Facebook say Facebook they pay you money, that's why you are creating those kind of content in a comedy. How much Facebook won't pay for that kind of news? I don't even know. But there are other productive ways you can leverage on AI, and that is what we are going to talk about. We're going to also talk about that tomorrow. Then after tomorrow,
Then after tomorrow,
we'll talk about
we'll talk about
some
some
of
of
those.
the
So that is about that. So get thinking and get busy. AI is not coming to take anybody's job. The only people's job that AI will take are the people that refuse to learn how to use AI. Because the ChatGPT, the Lovable, and whatever, they will not create the website themselves. Now somebody will go there, type, create me this kind of website, then it will work. So AI will not use itself. So don't be among those people who think that it's AI now, it's going to cause problem or it's going to do this. So no, jump on the opportunity. As the noise, as noisy as it is, I keep saying it. Not many people know what they are doing when it comes to AI. It's just the noise they are making. For those who know what they are doing, they are using it to cash out big time. Either for your business or use it as a service you can offer to other people who have businesses. And they will pay you very well for it. You know? So that's about that. Thank you so much, friends. I truly appreciate you guys for showing up. And I'm happy that some of us have now gotten a website.
Thank you so much. Uh,
Sir, please,
I'm so
what time do we now
I'm so
report to?
elated.
Thank you very, very much, coach.
Somebody is asking about time. Is anybody the time of tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
We are eager.
8:15 p.m.
It's fine, sir.
I can't believe it.
What?
I've
Okay,
paid
thank you
so
so
much
much.
for this website.
Ah,
So thank you
I'm
so
still
much.
begging my nephew.
Go and drop your review, whatever group you belong
What
to.
group you belong to?
Sorry, coach, please, one more thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, coach.
Thank you, coach. God
Thank you, coach.
bless you.
God bless you.
Sir, please, for the editing stuff
God
that you
bless
said
your wife and children.
you want to prepare for us, please help us include if you are targeting receiving how to get payment from as in dollar, the foreign coins.
Dollar payment is not a problem.
Okay, sir.
It's not dollar payments.
Foreign exchange
Foreign
payments.
exchange payments.
Okay. So before you leave, whatever group you belong to, I want to just know your review from today's section. What you appreciated from the training today. Whichever group you belong, whether Agro Hub or the dropshipping group or whichever one, just drop your review. So for the question you're asking, if you want to receive payment in dollar, that will not be lovable business. So you need to have a Stripe account or a PayPal account. Once you get them, you provide a link in your website. Anybody that click on the link pays with a card and you receive the money in dollar. That's what it is. So it's just a link. It's nothing special. Just a link. But if you don't have PayPal, if you have PayPal, you can do it. If you have Stripe, you can do it.
Sir, please, how do we have this
What
automatic?
about Payoneer?
But PayPal is not working here.
What about Payoneer, sir?
I can't say for Pioneer.
They're wicked. Payoneer and PayPal, they're wicked. Even Stripe said it was.
But our PayPal is no longer effective.
You can use the
Some
PayPal.
of
What do
us
we
here
do?
are offering the paper business
I think
services. If you
PayPal,
need to
you can
create
use
a
it to receive
PayPal
payment,
account,
but
we
you can't
offer
use it to
some of
pay.
the services.
How many people is talking now?
Anything about payment gateway, let's talk about it tomorrow, please. I beg. Okay?
Okay. Okay, coach.
All right.
Okay, sir.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do drop your review. Do drop your review. So what is just biting me now is that Johnny, I would have really loved to lead this class because they really handle it very carefully. But all the same, let's see how tomorrow goes so that today can deliver the entire class tomorrow. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, coach.
Drop your review now.
Thank you, sir.
I don't like it again, but thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Ika. Thank you so much. All right, guys, please see you guys tomorrow. Let me stop the recording. This recording is exactly 2 hours.